Thank you for listening to Buddhist Guided Meditations from One Mind Dharma. You can learn more about us at www.oneminddharma.com. And we appreciate any donations in support of our offerings at oneminddharma.com/donate. Today we're going to do a practice that comes from another tradition than the tradition we usually practice with, and that's Tibetan Buddhism. And it's the practice of Tonglen, with which perhaps many of you are familiar with. And it's a beautiful practice of using the breath for our metta or compassion practice. It can be really engaging as we kind of are engaging different sense doors of thinking and feeling in the body. I find it quite pragmatic for everyday life as well, as you can do this with a few simple breaths during your day and really bring your heart practices to life. So you can allow your eyes to close, remembering that this is a heart practice, so it's okay to give yourself a little room to find what's comfortable for you. I mention this a bit, and it's because I think that the posture of the body can really influence our intention or our experience of a meditation, as the mind and body are so connected, which we see in meditation practice. Giving some weight to the way you're sitting, really taking it seriously. Are you sitting in a way that feels kind, that feels gentle with yourself? There's no black and white necessarily of what this means. So looking at your own experience, perhaps the shoulders can drop a little bit. Maybe allow there to be some slack in the jaw. Maybe taking a couple extra deep breaths just to rejuvenate, exhaling fully. And we'll start with ourselves exactly where we are right now. So as you sit here, recognizing this own intention for yourself to care, to wish well for yourself, to tend to your own needs. And as you breathe in, you can breathe in a sense of ease. And as you exhale, exhaling the stress. Breathing in and getting this sense of taking in some sense of ease. And ridding yourself of the stress with the exhale. Breathing in a sense of joy or happiness. And letting go of the pain or sadness with the exhale. It may help to use a little one-word label. Just saying to yourself in your head, ease or joy with the inhale, pain with the exhale. Connecting with this intention. Inhaling a sense of safety. And exhaling, letting go of fear, insecurity. Inhaling with some acceptance or equanimity. Exhaling the judgment, the harsh way in which we talk to ourselves. And maybe there's a few other words here that fit better for you in your experience right now. So just seeing what comes up. Maybe it's one of the words or principles that I've already shared, but maybe something else comes up. Maybe you have a different need in this moment. Inhaling a wholesome quality, care, compassion, presence, and exhaling the opposite. And you can mentally bring someone else into the practice, somebody that would qualify as a good friend in your life. It could be exactly that, a friend. It could be a family member or teacher or mentor of some kind, a child. And recognizing that just like you, this person has joys and sorrows, pains and pleasures, hopes and dreams and fears. And just like you, wants to be happy. So, with this person in mind, and I like to picture them kind of sitting across from me, you can inhale their pain. And as you exhale, offering them some ease, touching into our own nature of care and compassion, our own potential to show up for this person with a loving heart. Inhaling their judgment, and with the exhale, offering them some acceptance. Inhaling their anxiety or worry, and giving some trust or confidence. Taking in their suffering and offering out some compassion, love. And again, you can see if there's any words or phrases that feel like a better fit for you in this moment or for this person. Perhaps you know them well enough to know what they may need, or perhaps they've shared their needs with you. Using the breath to sync up and offer this person these seeds of kindness and compassion you already have within you. This potential that you have to care, to show up, to affect another being.